Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Sagittarius. So these are for your general energies, guys. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation. So for y'all today, for your moon energies today, guys, we'll be picking one card from the Moonology deck. So we will see what it is after we finish with these cards, guys. So for your general energies, and today we also have the pick a card reading, guys. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that, Sagittarius. So these are the cards for your general energy, Sagittarius. So you are someone who is a very caring and a helpful person, Sagittarius. So in your circumstances today, you are really patient. You are trying to look after the people you are with, maybe trying to protect them, guide them, and help them in whatever way you can. So maybe today there are people who need your help, or maybe it may be your energy. Maybe you are thinking about something important, some important choices you need to make today, or decisions in your work, and you may feel a little confused, don't know what to do, which will work, or what will be the right choice for you. So maybe the reason for this circumstance, maybe it may be destiny or karma, whatever you call it, because you are someone who is a very skilled and talented person, but today on some circumstances or regarding something, you do not have that clarity, guys, and you are someone with a lot of experience, skills and talents, and you are a determined person, strong willed. So whatever decisions you make for yourself, you stand by those choices and you try to do things the right way. But in your circumstances today, guys, maybe certain things may go well, certain things may not go as expected. So, the same way in this relationship, also, you may see some difficulties, some kind of misunderstanding, or something may not go right with this person, and you may feel that though there are some misunderstandings, you have a level of understanding, things are going not so great but going in a good way. So you may feel that you are simply lucky to have this person instead of them leaving you. So some kind of difficulty you are seeing, something uncertain in your circumstances, maybe in your relationship, but you don't know which way things will go or what will happen, guys. So for your relationship, we picked one card and it's Five of Swords in reverse. So maybe you are struggling, trying to find that understanding. There may be troubles in this relationship, guys. You are trying to overcome all that, trying to find that balance and understanding. But whatever it is, whatever you do, things are not going as expected for you, Sagittarius. So there may be some troubles you are seeing in this relationship, and destiny may be the reason the way things are going, and this may be a karmic connection or a destined connection you have with this person, guys. It may be that may be the reason you are still in this connection with this person. So for your career, we have Nine of Cups in reverse. So in your circumstances today, guys, maybe You expected certain things for yourself in your work situation, but what is happening? It may not be your expectation, but it may be something good, something much better, and it is going to give you great opportunities. You just need to see the truth as it is instead of just expecting certain things. If you see your circumstances as it is, you are going to realize the worth of these opportunities coming your way in your work situation, Sagittarius. So, for your moon energy, guys, we picked one card and it is mutable moon. So, with this card, it just means that maybe you are seeing some difficulties and you may not like the way things are going today, but you can influence the changes you need to see in your circumstances, influence the results. So, maybe in your relationship or in your work situation, nothing has unfolded in a concrete way. So, something uncertainty, something happening in a very uncertain way, but you can influence the outcome or the result you are going to see, guys. So, you need to make that step or make those actions needed to influence the changes happening. And though you may not like it, though you may not like the way things are going in your circumstances, you can be the reason for change, guys, in your circumstances. You can do it. That is what I see. So, you have to handle your circumstances with confidence. So, that is the reading for you all today, Sagittarius. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, guys, please watch the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, Sagittarius. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So we will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card. For those who chose this first card, it says Rose Elf Revelations. So when this card comes to you in a reading, guys, it just means that you are having something in your mind, something is something you have not revealed. Maybe all that sadness and grief you have been holding on, that has been burdening you. So this is the time you are going to be free of all those burdens. So some kind of unkindness towards you, bullying maybe, or injustice done to you is coming into light, and people around you may know the truth, the reason for your sadness or the way you were, guys. And you need to trust your instincts today and see for signs. Maybe you may be seeing signs in your circumstances, maybe something happening naturally, the way the birds are singing, or some signs in nature that you see around yourself. You must be aware of that, because that is going to give you or take you towards truth or clarity today. So your instincts are here to help you, guys. You need to trust that. And whatever injustice is being done to you is going to come into light. So there is a person who has been treating you in a bad way, and you were suppressing it, but whatever it is, truth comes into light someday, guys. You can never hide the truth, whatever it may be. and maybe you are someone experiencing this injustice, or maybe there is someone in your circumstances who is experiencing this injustice, and you can bring hope to that person who has lost it. You can make them feel peaceful again, help them with your kind words and with your kind heart, and whatever evil has been done to you will be recognized, and that person who has wronged you will be revealed, and justice is coming out, justice is happening, unfolding in your circumstances. So you can never hide truth for a very long time, guys. So you need to understand that. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for you all. So for those who chose this second card, this card, we will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this second card, loyal heart. So this card just means that in your relationship today with your person you love, you both are having a beautiful understanding, mutual love, respect and caring is there. You are devoted to each other and you are loyal to each other, and this may be the time for heartfelt commitments and trust. And you need to understand that having that trust, mutual love and trust for each other, you can see that this relationship is divinely protected and divinely directed. So just like you trust this person, they trust you, and just like this person trusts you, are you loyal to them in return? Are you reciprocating their trust? So you need to question yourself on that, guys, and this is the time for you to be really truthful, honest with what you truly feel, and make this person understand what you truly feel. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So with this card, it just looks like you are in that deep connection with this person, and you both love each other, and you both have a great future together. That is what this card is about, and maybe this may be a twin flame soulmate connection you have with this person, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So thank you guys for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.